Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, I am going to be giving you the next 100x alternative cryptocurrencies that are definitely going to make you millionaires, because these cryptocurrencies are going to absolutely blow up. And this is one of the reasons why you have to get your pen and your paper, because you do not want to miss this information. Without further ado, I go by the name of Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and these are the alternative cryptocurrencies that are bound to do 100x, and you're going to make a whole lot of money. So number one is going to be, in no particular order, by the way, in no particular order. So today we're going to be talking about Klay, Gala, Fantom, AVAX, and Conflux CFX. So remember what we talked about yesterday, right? In order for us to pick the 100x cryptocurrencies, right, we have to minimize the risk. Risk is a very big factor with regards to making money, especially here in the crypto sphere, because let's say, for example, you pick the lowest, most undervalued cryptocurrencies, and they are roughly they have a market cap which is under $2 million US. The probability of you getting rug pulled and scammed is going to be very high. So this is one of the reasons why I am taking this particular approach, which leaves me with a little bit of security, and I know that the coins that I'm investing in have been in existence, and they have some sort of viable working products that they currently have. And this is one of the reasons why perhaps a lot of my suggestions are going to be, you know, in the higher end of the spectrum, but they're still going to blow up, and they're still going to do very well, and they're still going to be able to exist even in the next cycle, because that is very important. Because I do not want to recommend anything which is going to end up, you know, siphoning your money, and you're basically going to lose or end up, you know, sacrificing your hard-earned money. So this is one of the reasons why, you know, my recommendations are going to be, you know, sort of overrated according to a lot of other people's standards, because a lot of people really want to buy something which has got a market cap valuation of under $10 million US. And the more you do this, the higher the chances of you getting scammed are going to be. So anyway, so let's take a look at Klaytn. We did take a look at Klaytn. Klaytn is around 666 million US. And conservatively speaking, I really think this is definitely a 60 billion US dollar market cap valuation. It has got a rank of about 80. And if you take a look at this, right, this is a layer 1 solution. It is a layer 1 platform, so they do have their own ecosystem. They do have the metaverse. They do have you know, all these infrastructures that are really bound to make it you know, perform very well. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that this is definitely going to be a top 10 in the next coming few you know, months to come, because there is absolutely a thriving community behind it. If you take a look at their Twitter page is very active. These guys are consistently building, and there is a whole lot of you know, innovative stuff going on. So yeah, I do really believe that Klaytn is going to do very well, and it is something that you are supposed to be looking at. Even though it is around 664 million US, best believe it can go to about 60 billion, even more than that. So I am conservatively you know, letting you know. And moreover, a lot of these coins that have got very good potential, right? I mean, just take a look at what has been happening. It's still around, and they are still innovating. A lot of these coins that have got, you know, a very high market cap valuation, such as this one, right? They do have a lot of room to grow. Imagine buying Ethereum at 600 million US as its market cap valuation. You would still end up doing extremely well. So this is an early Ethereum type of cryptocurrency, and there is absolutely a lot of room to grow. So Klaytn is going to be one of the biggest contenders for you to do very well. I mean, if you don't really get 100x, you can do potentially very well. You can do a 50x or even more, and there's a lot of security and guarantee. So please do your own due diligence. Look at their you know, track record. Take a look at what they're doing. Are they building or innovating? Before you just end up investing in them, you have to, you know, take a look at all those metrics, and you have to be comfortable with your investment. So anyway, moving on, let's go to Conflux aka CFX. This one is ranked number 97. As you can see, it is also around 557 million US dollars. It has got a healthy volume of around 43 million US dollars. So in comparison to Klaytn, right, Klaytn has got around 18.8 million US dollars. So meaning a lot of market discovery hasn't happened. A lot of people do not really know exactly that it does exist, and there's absolutely a lot of room for Klaytn to explode, especially when we see more trading volume and more people get to really understand how powerful and monumental this particular cryptocurrency is. So getting back to CFX, right? Now this one is a very volatile coin. And just like I told you, right, I do love the fact that it has been, in an accumulative phase for a very long period of time. So it had an explosive movement to the upside. This one, I did trade this one, and I did also end up losing a lot of money because I forgot to sell, and then it just ended up declining. But however, I am still in profit, and right now it's about to do the same. It's about to sort of continue its upward pump, and it's going to definitely do very well. So yeah, 557 has got a potential of doing very well. So what is Conflux all about? Yeah, let's take a look at the website and see what these guys have. Blockchain without barriers. Conflux enables creators, communities, and markets to connect across borders and protocols. So I believe it is a layer 1 cryptocurrency as well, just like Ethereum. So there's absolutely a lot of stuff that are going to be built on top of it, and it does have an ecosystem of its own as well, because they have all these several projects right over here. So having an ecosystem is one of the biggest factors that really makes a lot of cryptocurrencies explode. So just like we have seen AVAX, right? AVAX is now ranked number 14, and it has got a market cap of about 7.7 billion US dollars. So it does have its own ecosystem, and it does have, projects that really add value to its ecosystem, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of people are gravitating towards it. So all these coins that I have suggested to you, Klaytn and Conflux, they do have their own ecosystem, and obviously they have a very high chance of potentially getting a shot at being a top 10, or rather top 10 cryptocurrencies, because they have everything that it takes for currencies to blow up. I mean, just take a look at Ethereum, the second best cryptocurrency. It does have its own ecosystem, and this is one of the reasons why we're supposed to be emulating and saying, okay, what really made Ethereum pump as much as it did? What type of environment really made it suitable for this particular price trajectory to grow the way that it did? And this is one of the reasons why getting to invest in cryptocurrency projects that are doing very well as far as sustainability and as far as longevity is concerned is a very good way to go. So yeah, Conflux, take a look at that. I really think it can definitely do 100x. And by the way, let's just take a look at Ethereum, the market cap of Ethereum, because a lot of you are wondering whether if having a market cap of around 600 million US dollars would still yield you 100x. Yeah, it would still yield you 100x, because if you take a look at the market cap of Ethereum, right, this is around 250 billion US dollars. So if you had to multiply the current market caps of Conflux and Klaytn, that would definitely give you close to 100x if it had to grow as much as Ethereum has grown as of now. And moreover, 2024 is going to be a very, very bullish year. The altcoin overall market capitalization is going to go extremely bonkers. I mean, we're going to definitely have we're going to grow more than 1.4 trillion US dollars in terms of total overall cryptocurrency market cap valuation. So with that said, there is obviously a very high chance that all of these cryptocurrencies are going to multiply exponentially, and we're going to definitely reap the rewards and the benefits of investing in projects right now. So anyway, moving on. So I've given you Klaytn, Conflux, and right now we're going to talk about Gala. Gala is also around 749 million US dollars, same trajectory. So this one is obviously in the gaming niche. So they are under the Ethereum ecosystem. So this is all about gaming. It's all about the metaverse, etc. This one can also do very well. If you take a look at the accumulative phase that has been going on, I mean, it's bound to explode. So I definitely expect the prices to go back to their previous all-time highs, and we can end up doing extremely well. So there's a whole lot of advantage of getting in now, especially when the post accumulative phase is about to take off, because there's going to be a whole lot of money to be made. Anyway, moving on. Fantoms. So Fantom is a very volatile and very innovative layer one solution type of platform. This one is an infrastructure, and it does do very well all the bull market phases and cycles. I mean, just take a look at that. We've got a long way to go. So the current market cap of Fantom is around it's close to $1 billion. It's around 901 million US dollars. So there's obviously a whole lot of room to grow. So Fantom is also a very good explosive volatile coin that can really yield you a whole lot of results. So last but not the least, let's talk about AVAX. We've been talking about AVAX for a very long period of time. So AVAX is a number one contender to being a top 3 cryptocurrency project, because this one has got very mature team, very mature ecosystem, market makers, and everything that it takes for it to replace Ethereum or be as lucrative and as important to the cryptocurrency whole ecosystem. This one is a very good project, and I found it when it was like literally under $3 a while back. So you can take a look at my channel and just search for AVAX. You can see that I've been talking about AVAX ever since it was under $3. So this is one of the reasons why I'm super proud. This is one of my best cryptocurrency calls, or rather top picks. So I'm super excited about this one, and I really believe it can really go more than 500 billion US dollars in terms of market cap valuation. So if AVAX had to grow as much as Ethereum has grown as of today, right, we obviously have a lot of room to grow. So this is going to be close to like $1,000 in the near future. By the end of 2024, right, the price of AVAX is going to be close to $1,000. Best believe. And this is one of the reasons why we still have a lot of gains to make, if I can put it that way. So yeah, this has been my top 10 my top 100x picks as far as security, safety, and just longevity is concerned. So I do not want to give you very risky investments, because that could be a hit or miss, and then I hate losing money so much. So I would rather give you something which is, or rather which has got a proven record, is bound to exist in the next coming 2 cryptocurrency cycles. So this is why I am here, and I'm obviously looking forward to hearing your recommendations in the comments section below. So tell me what you think about these coins in no particular order. Which ones would you invest a whole lot of money in, and how would you allocate your money? Because capital allocation is also one of those underrated things that a lot of people don't really pay attention to as far as cryptocurrencies is concerned. So I mean, if you've got any questions, or if you want me to help you with capital allocation as far as your funds are concerned, please feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, or drop a comment in the comment section below. But best believe sending an email will be better, and I'm going to help you sort of manage your capital allocation, because I am able to understand the risk factors involved, the security measures that you're supposed to implement, and how best you can utilize your capital, because a lot lot of people tend to just misuse money. So I can give you that advice for free. Just send me an email and say, look, I've got this and that amount of capital. How can I invest in these different type of cryptocurrencies based on the risk to reward factor? And I'm going to be able to take my time and see what, or rather how you can use your capital to the best of your advantage. So yeah, it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and hopefully I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, and remember, the best practice is never to lose money. So make sure you don't give your money to any of these projects, because these projects can literally scam you out of your money. So make sure you practice the best risk to reward practices, and just make sure that you never lose your money. So yeah, take care and God bless you.